hear me. This video and audio is coming from the Avata 2 and the Mic 2, which is strapped to the top of it. So we have a little bit of fun today. A highly requested follow-up video, lots of questions about how I do it, why I do it, what's the best settings. Nice and simple. I've just simply got the transmitter strapped to the top of the Avata 2 with a cable tie and a little bit of tape just to add a bit of a safety measure. I press record on the remote, record on the transmitter, and I just sync them together. Simple as that. Put all the footage into Final Cut Pro. Don't mess around with the editing too much. I know there's software out there where you can pair them both together, but I'm a beginner still, guys, so bear with me. We're going into the second year of Avata 2025 with the anticipation that there's going to be an Avata 3. So without further ado, guys, let's get the drone up in the sky. Let's capture some really good footage and most importantly some really good audio footage. Hoping to catch a glimpse of the hovercraft this morning. It goes from Southsea Portsmouth to the Isle of Wight. I'm just hoping to time it perfect, but the conditions are great. So let's go, guys. Well, here we go, guys. Let's get this sucker switched into full manual mode and we'll swap into the Avata 2 camera. Here we go. Listen to her roar. There we go. We've got 4 Gilkicker there. That's being made into houses, believe it or not. To the rich and famous, I could imagine. Beautiful, stunning views today. Oh, you can really hear the scream of it when there's the big sudden turns. Got Gilkicker Golf Course, and Portsmouth and the Spinnaker Tower in the background. You can really hear that wind when there's a flip and a roll. Wow. Screaming cat. Music to my ear. Should really learn some new tricks. Watch this space. What do you guys think of the noise? Do you like hearing the noise? Hearing the sounds of the Avata 2 with the Mic 2. And what a beautiful sunrise. And in the distance you should be able to start seeing the hovercraft that I was waiting for. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that. Actually sounds really nice and calm when you're not hitting that throttle all the way down. Sounds nice and smooth. There's me chilling in the sunshine. Wonder if we can hear the hovercraft as we get a little bit closer. It was actually about 7 degrees this morning and my hands were starting to feel it. And if you've never flown FPV before, cold hands is like your worst enemy. Especially flying manual. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Just bear in mind, guys, I am filming this all in one shot because obviously I've pressed record on the transmitter and I want to be able to sync everything up nicely. So you're getting raw and uncut footage here. There we go, we don't want to get too far away from the shore. Wow, that was cool. Finger in there. Right in the bag. Beautiful morning. Bit chilly, pretty windy as well, so that'd be quite interesting to hear how bad the wind is on the Mic 2 whilst flying. But another little series coming up, the 2025 series, so stay tuned for that. But as always guys, appreciate you watching. Hit a like, comment down below, all that good stuff, and we'll see you all next week. But thanks for watching.